My entire body is broken.
Today is going to be a lot of fun. We got Cleetus McFarland coming out, and Hubert and Comb Over just dialed in the Can-Am track. There's a couple things that need some tweaks. I had some ideas on my napkin drawing. I don't know if it was fully understood because it's never been done before, but today is going to be awesome.
Let's go and not wreck anything on 3.
1, 2, 3, not wreck anything. You finally made it to Pastranaland. Let's go.
Buddy, let's do this.
Dude.
Finally made it. By the way, I have this for you.
Yes!
This is the dollar you won at Daytona.
So stoked. This is my shake and bake partner for Daytona. And he got all excited. He qualifies on up front, goes 3 wide on lap 7 and
crashes.
Fun fact,
Right.
first time we were hanging out, we had a few of our group and we jumped on everything right away. And
I came out with the waivers.
And
I was joking though.
We were just getting on the hovercraft. Cleetus is like, oh, these guys don't have to sign a waiver. And then Tib, Fib, Comp, not me.
Trav's like, no, this is no big deal at all. I'm like, wow, this guy's been around a few broken bones.
Anyway, sign the waiver. It's gonna be a great day.
This is the shoes on you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is one of them.
It's a super
It's really meant for double bouncing. So my daughters get roof height.
Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals!
Yeah.
This is real freaky.
Perfect. Pass. Jump off before you hurt yourself.
Whoa! Hang on, the trampoline's a little different.
I got you, man. I got you.
Be ready. Go up slow.
Oh, perfect.
Please. Such a long jump.
Perfect. Oh, you okay?
Double ankle.
I've never seen someone make this soft trampoline look that violent.
His ankles were like, I thought they were done. Okay.
1, 2, 3, backflip. See that?
Yeah.
Don't look at the landing. Just keep looking
What could
back.
possibly go wrong?
You don't. Can we play the video here of all the things that have gone wrong?
I'm fired.
Dude, Tommy was going nice and slow, but a Hayabusa to 0 to 60 and I don't know, real quick.
Yeah, so
and
that
he got all
was-
wide open at the bottom, and we didn't have the roof on the back. I was up in my house up top, and over top of the shed, I just see a heavy set dude on a. Actually, it was a Gixxer. It was a Gixxer 1000. And yacht. And I was like, oh, that guy's dead. Yeah. My dad actually called 911, and he goes, he said, what's your emergency? He said, I think someone just died. You probably don't have to rush. He was walking around back. It was good. Oh no.
Man. Whoa!
Everything was perfect, and then you were Superman.
Yeah, I think I pulled the bike again.
He likes that Superman.
Uh-oh.
That ain't gonna work.
Here, walk. Walk on the foam.
Yeah!
Yeah, Cleetus! Let's go. Kickstand down and all, yes. And that's the dismount we're looking for.
You got to kind of throw it back. You know what I'm saying, Maddie? You got to throw it back a little bit.
That's all in the. I'm out on that one. It's all in the hips.
Holy goodness.
Hey, Big Nut, Big Nut, you got this. You're a NASCAR driver.
Got it, buddy!
Go.
Oh.
Dude, that was really, really good. Like really, really good. Now, if you find your balls and go faster, it'll be perfect.
So clean.
Solid.
So to one up him, I just got to go to third, right?
Go to third, medium throttle coming up, and still wide open off it. You can't go too far.
Okay.
More speed, go. Oh, and he bailed off. Oh! he went huge, and he stayed straight. It was great. He did kind of belly flop it in there a little bit, but it was good.
Dude, this has to be your profile picture on
It
Facebook.
got me.
There we go.
And totally redeemed yourself. That would have written out. He was like, he pulled. You guys, how'd it come in?
He basically did a BMX flip there.
Best flip, most amplitude,
Are you serious?
most solid landing. Hell yeah.
Whoa.
And a kick turn.
I don't know that I can do it. It's so big.
This is the most dangerous thing that could be happening right now. The jump seems dangerous out back, but nothing is more dangerous than what Cleetus did.
I don't think I got it. I was going to do a 900, but it's not today.
Yeah, it'll be good to warm up.
Sorry, my skate shoes.
I'm going to show you just how scary this is.
I know, it's going to be way scarier up here. Way.
And this is what I do. I turn this into a slide. The kids and I, this is a sweet slide. They drop in from here with the skateboard. There was literally like a 13-year-old kid the other day. He drops in skateboard in hand, and he's like, "Look."
No.
But dude, they do it on skateboards. That's what I'm saying. It's a great slide. Look at his face. Yeah, roll it. Let's go.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
You just got to commit.
Hey, what's up? Lindsay Pastrana here. These are our dogs Millie and Callie. When I learned that switching to a raw food diet would help limit health risks, I knew I had to try Maeve. Some of the things I've noticed so far after feeding our dogs Maeve is increased energy and increased mobility. It's very stable energy. Cut to video of Millie being really cool. One of my personal favorite things about Maeve is that it's high quality, there's no fillers, there's no additives. You can literally look in here and know exactly what these ingredients are. And that also means less poop for the kids to clean up. I'm so stoked Maeve reached out to us. Our dogs are such a big part of our life. It has really been beneficial having them on a raw food diet. If you also want to give your dogs the food they deserve, click on the link in the description or scan this QR code and you can get 30% off your first purchase with code 199.
So how about this? Let's go back and let's start with the jump. Just to knock that out of the way.
Golly, I thought you were going to say the exact opposite of that. But
No,
great.
but let's start with the jump.
Wonderful.
So that we can all be doing the whole course.
All right.
There's a
Sounds
couple
good.
jumps. This is not my vehicle.
So if I break it, I got to buy it or fix it.
Look, you gave me a plane flight back to see my kids when I was gone for a while when I wasn't going to be able to get home because all the airports were stuck.
I'll pay for it if I crash.
That's what I wanted here. That's what I wanted. I was hoping they would say.
I don't know. So
how it
Travis is Can-Am, obviously. I'm Polaris. So he did politely get me a Polaris to drive. And we just, this is part of it.
All right, so before we get going too much, all right, so besides our guy and this mistake right here, whatever, if you're driving our cars, I need your credit card.
Wait, you said that'd be the biggest jump you hit. You've done other jumps?
I don't think I've ever gone 100 feet.
How old are you, sir?
80.
You're 80.
Yeah.
Well,
I'll be 81 in June. So
do you want to do the big jump?
Yeah, let's go big.
He's going for the big
All
jump.
right. Well,
No hesitation on that.
No,
guy.
he was riding it. You want it? You're up? Yeah, go get me a helmet.
I love it. Beautiful.
Nice.
It's fantastic. Wow, that is great. Man, was so good. Dang it.
How about that jump?
Oh, it's so good.
Freaking sick. I don't know. This is Disneyland for side-by-sides. But you jump out, I want to kind of show you a little lay of the land first. So we got the rally track back there. We got the GNCC track out here. We got the rally cross track up here. But we're going to start getting this shaped in where you take off. So it's going to be like I don't know, that old movie where they started doing loops and sides and all kinds of stuff. Speed Racer. Yeah, that's what's happening.
In the world?
I see a big jump right here.
So when Jim York jumped that in the Corvette, it was 35 feet longer than that. 64 is your minimum. 70's good. 75's a little long. So just, you know, 65 to 75 is fine.
All right, I'm gonna run the course a little bit just to feel the car.
Good.
He literally just drove back here with Trav. He's never actually seen the rest of the course.
No, and he's never drove that car either.
Look good.
Look like butter.
I'm gonna solo it real quick.
Yep, solo it. Go for it.
I almost killed Hubert, dude. He was on the freaking big end of that thing.
Yeah.
Well, you know, we really like trains around here, so we're all gonna go in a nice train over this big old jump, get this phenomenal picture. It's gonna be huge. Huge.
BP 199 Squirrel McNutt. Two of Heatwave's finest athletes
Together again.
in the same machine.
Yeah, that's a hell of a first run to jump in on.
He got right in front of us. We almost T-boned him.
Dude, freaking Banks, I couldn't see anything. He just went straight left. I'm glad he stayed on the gas because we just about freaking rolled both carts. These things generally don't get a lot of laps.
Okay, yeah, you gotta guide me.
Jumped it! Travis jumped the stuff up.
Wow! My entire body is broken.
You guys gotta do this, it's so fun.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It's actually the most fun thing we've done all day.
Dude, when you...
Wait, let's go check out the freaking concrete course.
Yep, that makes sense.
Oh yeah.
They got a lot of fun.
Freaking A. I'm sorry, I wouldn't have guessed that.
He's ripping.
Look at Squirrel McNutt. They're all ripping.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, let's go. You're ripping.
Oh my God.
That's awesome.
I'm scoping it out. Yeah.
Is he doing it?
million years did I think JH and Cleetus McFarland would be running laps in the Viper Pit. Dude, I'm so impressed, man. So freaking impressed.
This is awesome. This place is insane.
That's what I was working with. It sucks.
There's no brakes.
You had no brakes?
There's no brakes on that bike, so it's kind of like, there's a little bit of rear.
How was your jump in the Viper Pit?
Felt sporty. I was honestly terrified. Look at us, no injuries.
I'm so impressed.
We did a backflip, we did the 100-foot jump, we did the Viper Pit, and no injuries. I think I'm gonna walk to my car.
I would run to your car.
All right, I'll see you later.
Dude, hey, super impressed. Never in a million years, I think, no offense, but there are some great riders that do not do this. You and JH jumped in, did everything, and I'm sorry. McNutt, you did great, but JH, he won the day, man.
Well, he's insane on a pit bike, right?
He's really good.
I mean, he's like a rhino on a pit bike, and he glides.
Hey, now that you guys said that, you really do have to leave or something bad.
No, we are. We're out. We are.
I love you guys.
We're gonna trip and fall going back.
Yeah, I should've wanna try me.